Welcome. You've arrived not somewhere new, but somewhere ancient. The present moment. Let your body settle, not rigid, not slack, just here. Notice the breath, the quiet rhythm of life moving through you. Notice the sounds around you. Let them be. Thoughts will come. Let them pass. You don't need to chase them. You don't need to push them away. Gently return to breath, to presence. Remember, return to wholeness. This is meditation. Not silence, but listening. Not emptiness, but spaciousness. Not escape, but arrival. You've remembered something timeless, and it's always here, waiting.